Good morning everyone, it's me again, Clem from clemtravlog. Currently it's around 7:15 and I'm at Port Melbourne now at Maritime Grove Playground. I'm waiting for Ho. We're going to do an endurance ride today just for 100 kilometers just to get back a bit of my stamina after a 4 weeks holiday. So yeah, and now I'm already here. I'm just waiting for Ho. Our ride will be start at 7 o'clock. And apparently it was very hot for the 2-3 weeks, I think 4 weeks, and today apparently very cold. I don't know why. Now it's around 11 degrees and it's going to be only until like 20 degrees at 12 afternoon.
Voila, yeah! It's Claire from clemtravlog.
Okay, Ho is already here. We start riding now. We're gonna hit Frankston today and come back. So it's around 100 kilometers. Now it's around 7 and we are departing. I've been a while. I never ride on a beach road, I think since around the bay. So we're gonna do a zone 2 ride for both of us to build up the stamina. See this sticker on my helmet? It was from my previous event ride on Cadence Evans People's Ride in Geelong. It was roughly a month ago. And I totally forgot to take it off from my helmet since then. I was having it on my helmet for this ride until we reached Frankston. Which means I had it on my helmet for half of my ride. No wonder there's few cyclists staring at me weirdly. So embarrassing. Brother! Okay, road closed. Hey, I think that's group pedal. I think it's Jack.
It's a wide bay.
Hey Jack!
Hey Clem!
How are you?
How you going?
Good, good. How are you?
Hey.
My friend Ho.
Yeah,
Nice
to meet you. Thanks. What's going on?
Riding around?
Yeah?
Yeah.
For a bit of a... Where to? Where are you riding to today?
Just 100. We rode from Port Melbourne and then Frankston.
Oh, okay, and then you come back.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, we're going to go to Mordiallic.
Okay.
So if you want to ride with us, it's up to you. If you want to join us.
We try. Our stamina very low now. Plus I've been away for like a month.
That's right, yeah, you were overseas. Yeah, no, up to you. If you want to tag on the back and see if you can, cruise along, get a bit of a tow to Mordiallic.
We go first and then
if you want, go. If you see us coming, just jump on the back.
Yeah. Alright, let's go.
Alright, let's see you on the ride. Good to see you.
Yeah, good to see you too. Hey, I hear you're doing the 3 peaks, yeah?
Yeah, next week. Yeah.
Good luck.
Thanks, mate.
So apparently I met Jack. Last time we met was like during April at Great Ocean Road Classic. So he asked us to join him. But to be honest, their level is different. So and then we are so unperformance, low fitness, so we might as well just do it by ourselves first. So apparently today there's a triathlon event, so they close up the road. Forced to ride on the Bay Trail now. So like I mentioned earlier, we were forced to ride on Bay Trail due to some parts of the road closing. This Bay Trail runs most part of the beach road between Port Melbourne and Mordialloc. If you're interested to know more about Bay Trail, you can view one of my previous vlogs about Bay Trail. Oh, I can feel the heat wind.
Yeah. It's where the fun starts.
So like what I said earlier, I'll be away for a month, which means that my fitness is overall very low. Try to do a ride on Zwift and be on the threshold for quite a long while. So yeah, now I'll try to gain back my stamina. Looks like a kid cycling event today. I thought so. Maybe the young triathlon.
Yeah.
The young Ironman.
Yeah.
So good to see all the young kids. Hopefully one day my son can do this as well. So currently I already did 10 kilometers. I don't know about home because he rode for home. Maybe another 25-30 kilometers for him. now we are brighter, the headwind is getting stronger. Come to this point, I had roughly completed 12 kilometers and most of the time I was drafting behind Ho, although not a close draft, but still save some energy. So I thought I should contribute and get ahead of Ho and draft, let him have a rest. But I only last for roughly 5 minutes. Ho overtook me again. I was still too weak to help him.
Let's go, Clem, come on.
Alright. Here comes on the group pedal. Lucky we didn't follow them or else we would get dropped very hard. At this stage, Ho decided to speed up and drop behind group pedal. Where's the zone 2 ride we were talking about earlier? And I slowly got dropped by Ho. So, almost 20 kilometers, now it's 19. Got dropped. Ho was actually in the peloton of the group pedal now. And I finally caught up with Ho after around 10 minutes of chasing. It's fast, yeah? Group pedal. I know! Okay, lost Ho again. We'll slow down again. He was away from cycling for a few months because he fractured his ankle during badminton. So he just came back for riding for like two weeks ago. So no, that's why both of us not going to take it hard. Choose too easy. Choose too easy.
Oh, just I'm dropping behind that.
I saw you guys do. I said, wait, and oh, traffic light.
You still can chair. Wow. I was like, oh man, I was just puffing behind. And then after one day going 40, and then after stop at traffic light, then after it went up 35. And then now going to do 35 going up here.
That's wrong, man. That's why he's going 3 peaks. You still okay, yeah?
Yeah, it's okay. I won't blame my ankle. Just the stamina is not there yet.
Me too. I only worry about later come back the headwind only. Seems like alright now.
Okay.
Almost there already. You okay?
You can feel the stamina is different.
Yeah.
I think this kind of cycling you have to continue. Then once you stop,
your condition drop ma.
Oh man, drop a lot. I think I see my Strava from 150 drop to 40. Just 2 weeks, 6 weeks, 8 weeks. Oh,
yeah.
Tiring.
So now we at Carom. Wind getting stronger and stronger. And now it's already 38 kilometers. Nearly to Frankston, another 6-7 kilometers. There is our turning point. Just I took opportunity to drop at the front. Let Ho rest a little bit. Still doing alright now. My heart rate get back to a bit normal. 159 now. I believe because my body fully warm up now. Just now at first was 170 something because not warm up and it's too cold. Okay, now we are in Frankston area. Already rode 44.5 kilometers. My average speed is 26.2 now. Now it's 10 past 9. Come on, let's cross. Oh my god, the headwind. So currently at Frankston South. Should be turning back, I don't know why. Maybe Ho gonna treat me to not climb Mount Eliza.
What?
I don't know. Let's see what he's planning. So you see the road at the front now. Keeping highway all the way up to Mount Eliza. It's a good climb, but not this time. So, we reached the turning point. Oh, no! Wow. Hey, good for muscle recovery.
How many feet?
47. I thought you want to call me to climb.
You want to climb?
No, not this time. I was thinking to do it when you told me. I was thinking, later climb up, you bong already, can't go back already. Very bad. So we had a short break at Frankston. Now we're gonna head back, but we saw the statue at the front. We decided to climb up there to have a look. Oh, there's something there. Let's see what he say. Oh, Catlin. There's a... So we get all the way up here, although it's not a climb, to see the statue. And now we have to get back down and get back to our route to back to Port Melbourne. I saw what you're doing there, I follow. So not long after we left Frankston, the headwind actually turned stronger. At the same time, we spotted a peloton, and I believe was the local cycling group based on their jersey. Luckily, I realized how I took this opportunity to drive behind them to save energy. Therefore, I increased my power and tried to drive behind them too. Hopefully, I don't get dropped again. So, got dropped again. So now, 20 past 10 at Bondi Beach. Did 60 kilometers already. Very windy. Was driving with peloton, and then somehow I got dropped. Getting tired. And my heart rate is 157. And my average speed is 25.6. Still have another 40 kilometers to go. Yeah, 60 marks. 60 kilometer marks is always where I start to feel tired. Alright, gonna take a break here. Here's the toilet. So now it's 11:30. Very windy. Now I think either we at Sandringham or Hampton. Already done 80 k's. 20 more to go. Average speed drop 25.1 now. Heart rate 157. Riding time 3 hours and 30 minutes. Let's keep going. Very windy. The wind can go up to 40 kilometers per hour today. Alright, now back to St. Kilda. Still have 12 more kilometers to go. And Luna Park. Where's Hall? No idea. Nearly there. Turning into this share path, we started to ride on Sandridge Railway Trail. A short trail runs along the former Sandridge Railway Line, also known as Port Melbourne Railway Line, the first railway line in Australia established in 1854 and closed in 1987. It is now converted into one part of tramline Route 109. So now at Southbank, heading to Crown. We're going to spread out at Crown. We'll be riding home. Another 30 kilometers for him roughly. I'm going to ride back to Port Melbourne where I parked this morning. So okay lah.
Alright.
See you.
See you when I see you again.
Yeah, maybe a few weeks later, who knows?
Yeah, let me know how many kilometers you make. Should be
Should be
100.
lah, should be
Or else you have to go to the roundabout.
Who knows? Maybe I go to another loop.
Alright,
Okay, take care. See ya. Alright, came to this point. Already complete my 100 kilometers. I still have a few more kilometers left to reach my car. Got very exhausted because of the headwind. Very bad headwind today. Up to 40 kilometers per hour. This is my first outdoor ride, my first endurance ride, my first Grand Fondo ride since I went holiday for 4 weeks. A lot in Malaysia for Chinese New Year. So this time I need to gain back my fitness and my condition to get ready for next month. Great Ocean Road and Off-Road Classic, 145 kilometers ride. Anyway, I believe not far from my car now. I will end this video soon. I mean, at this point, I'll see you on my next adventure. Oh, I forgot to mention, I used 5 hours and 51 minutes to complete 101 kilometers with an average speed of 25 kilometers per hour. My average heart rate was 149 beats per minute with the highest of 179 beats per minute. Originally, we planned this as a Zone 2 ride. Who knows, I only spent 1 hour and 25 minutes on Zone 2 but 2 hours and 50 minutes on Zone 3. I even have 60 minutes of threshold, which is Zone 4. Maybe next time I shall say Zone 1 ride, then we will remain at Zone 2. Anyway, thank you for watching. Goodbye!
It's finished. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click the like, subscribe the channel, and share it. Leave a comment if you have any feedback for us. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.